Are you looking for delicious and healthy recipes to help you on your weight loss journey? Look no further. Today we're sharing 5 egg-cellent recipes that are not only nutritious, but also incredibly satisfying. First up, we have a classic veggie omelet. Packed with colorful bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes, this omelet is high in protein and vitamins. It's the perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Next, we have a mushroom and kale frittata. Frittatas are a great option for meal prep, as you can make a large batch and enjoy it throughout the week. The earthy flavors of mushrooms paired with the freshness of kale make this dish a winner. For a Mediterranean twist, try our Greek-style scrambled eggs. Filled with feta cheese, olives, and cherry tomatoes, this flavorful dish will transport you to the sunny shores of Greece with every bite. If you're craving something spicy, our Mexican-inspired huevos rancheros are sure to hit the spot. Topped with salsa, avocado, and a sprinkle of cilantro, this dish is a fiesta of flavors. Last but not least, we have a smoked salmon and dill frittata. This elegant dish is perfect for brunch or a light dinner. The richness of the salmon combined with the fresh herbaceousness of dill creates a dish that is both indulgent and guilt-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes.